With a big snowstorm coming at Walmart here. Just want to give you a quick look at what the bread aisle looks like here. People have done raided these aisles. It's the same thing at Costco too. Onions and potatoes and bananas. Forget about it. Bananas, there were hardly anything left on that pallet. Yeah. People are filling up their carts. Here's another product that's flying off the shelf, coffee. Folks can't live without their coffee. And peanut butter. And pasta. Look at that. And beans. Chili beans, to be exact. Pinto beans. Kidney beans. All flying off the shelf here. People are voting with their feet, huh? Look at that. This is Walmart. Chicken flying off the shelf. Oil flying off the shelf.
Babe, the milk is not there.
Cheese flying off the shelf. Milk flying off the shelf. Look at that. Orange juice flying off the shelf. Coffee creamer flying off the shelves. Butter off the shelves. We got a little sliver of butter left. Orange juice flying off the shelf. Sweet tea. Folks can't live without their sweet tea. Yogurt flying off the shelf. Good thing I got sour cream. Sour cream flying off the shelves. What about eggs? Yeah. Big cavities. And the most important product, good old TP, flying off the shelf. Look at that. People love Angel Soft. Not to mention dog food. We're stocking them right now. That's about it. Appreciate your likes and subscribes. Best is yet to come. Keep your peace. Redemption draws nigh.